Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add a friend list on Widgetable. So the first thing that you of course need to do guys is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. After you did that, you just need to go and log into a profile or register to Widgetable, or of course you can go and play this as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom, we have the Explore, we have the Wallpaper tab, and the More tab, where you, as you can see everything about your own profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a friend list on Widgetable. So, firstly, what you need to do is, out of all of these three tabs, you need to go and click on the More tab, which is the third tab, as you can see. Here, we have the Recommend options. So you have the Shop, Pets, Friends, Garden, Assemble, Message, and Events, which is a free thing. So here we have some more things, as you can see, etc, etc. But now let's focus on the Friends tab, which is the third tab. Go and click on it. Here you can go and share and invite friends. You can notify me or friends update, you can put that on. And we have the friends list, where you can add friends and create your friends list, which we talked about. For this, you'll need to go and log in. You cannot be as a guest. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.